Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session number 4, Learning Alphabets. This is exercise number 1 of session 4. In this session and in this exercise, we'll study some of the words which are mixed words with as we studied Bay series, Jim series, Dal and Ray series. So these words are from all these alphabets. So I write all these in front of you, then I'll pronounce all these and you need to pronounce them aloud after my pronunciation. Okay, so here are the words. Okay, read the words aloud. The letters that you have already learned have been written in connected form here. Okay, the independent letter forms are given in parentheses. Okay, and compare your pronunciation with my pronunciation. So I pronounce first and then compare your pronunciation with my pronunciation. Okay, so the first word is dana, dana, dana. It has 4 alphabets. Dal, it has a diacritical mark over it which is called zabar, and then it's alif, so it would be da, da. Then noon, noon has a diacritical mark over it, it is also called zabar sign, and then it's alif, so the whole word is dana, dana. Okay, next word is zat, zat, zat. Zal, the first alphabet is zal, it has a zabar sign over it, then it's alif, it is pronounced as za, then it's te alphabet, so the whole word would be zat, zat. Then it's ran, ran, ran. Ray has zabar sign over it. The first alphabet is Ray, Ray, then Alif, and the last one is Noon. Ray with zabar sign, Alif, and Noon. The whole word is Ran, Ran. Then it's Char, Char, Char. And this word has che with zabar sign, alif, and re. It's called char. Then it's jada, jada. It has jim, alif, re, re, and alif. So the whole word is jada, jada. Then it's badan, badan, badan. It has be with zabar sign over it, then it's dal and noon. Okay, and dal has also zabar sign over it, so be, dal and noon, badan, badan. And noon has a sukoon sign over it, it is not pesh, it's a sukoon sign. Okay, so the whole word is badan, badan. Then the next word is par, par. It has pe with zabar sign over it and re with sukoon sign. The whole word is par, par. Then it's band, band, band. It has be with zabar sign, then it's noon with sukoon sign and dal with sukoon sign. The whole word is band, band. Then it's bada, bada, bada with be over zabar, be, re with sukoon sign and alif, bada, bada. The last word is din, din. Dal with diacritical mark under it, it is called zer sign, and noon. din, din. Okay, I pronounce all these for you now again. Dana, dana, zat, zat, ran, ran, char, char, jada, jada, badan, badan, par, par, band, band, bada, bada, din, din. That's it for today's session. Try practicing with your pronunciation, okay? So, and also tell me one more thing at the end, that are the letters of dal and re series connectors or non-connectors? It's you can say it's a question for you, okay? I'll tell you in the next session whether they are connectors or non-connectors. I'll explain each and everything in the next session, but still here it's a question for you. It's a question mark whether dal and re series are connectors or non-connectors, okay? Wish you all the best and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz till the next session.